Hello, my beautiful food lovers. Welcome to Luscious Kabe, your cozy corner for easy, mouth-watering recipes crafted with love, a sprinkle of joy, and everyday ingredients. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, we're here to make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely delicious. So, tie up your hair, put on that apron, and let's whip up some magic together. Let's get cooking, and let's make every bite unforgettable. Add cooking oil. Add sliced onions. Continue cooking on low to medium flame until onions turn golden brown. Fry until golden brown. Add green chilies. Add tomatoes. Add coriander. Add cumin. Continue cooking on low to medium flame. Take the contents out and blend. Add cooking oil. Add meat. Mix well and continue cooking. Add red chilies. Add bay leaves. Add green cardamom, black peppers, cloves, cinnamon stick. Add ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric powder. Add red chili powder. Add cumin powder. Add salt to taste. Mix well and continue cooking. Continue cooking on low to medium flame. Don't forget to hit subscribe or follow button so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Show the love by sharing these recipes with friends and family, because good food is meant to be enjoyed together. Also, do like and share your thoughts by commenting.